What's going on, guys? This is my trade recap, my loss today. I literally just recorded this, but I realized my mic wasn't on, so that's great. Um, so I'm gonna start off on the daily time frame, kind of going over how I got my bias. So when you're looking at the daily time frame, you could see we're very, very bullish, right? In the previous week, we have a daily fair value gap right here, and Tuesday and Wednesday we sweep Tuesday's low, also creating an SMT, and we get a candle 2 closure in here. So that is pretty much saying price is gonna expand more bullish, right? And on top of that, we get a bullish CISD on the higher time frame. So just because we are looking so bullish on the daily time frame doesn't mean the market is going to move completely bullish the entire day. Like, we have bearish days. So you just can't get too wrapped up on one time frame. Now, going further into my trade, let's look at the 30 minute. On the 30 minute, since I'm trading swing points, this is candle 1, candle 2, candle 3, comes after 3. So in candle 2, what do? We sweep London lows right here. So, okay, let's look at ES. ES at 9:30. What do? We don't sweep anything. We don't sweep London lows. So what is that? That's an SMT. Now, going into 3 minute, where I took my trade, is where I got pretty greedy. Now, in one of my previous trade recaps, I talk about taking a trade off a swing point, within that candle, I enter off the second CISD. And I don't like to enter on the first one because of it's a lot more risky. And what do I do on this one? On this trade? I enter on the first. Now, not always will this turn out as a loss or, you know, on days there's bad price action, obviously. Um, but today, I didn't really follow my rules. My rules. I got greedy, entered on the first one. I did not wait for the second CIC, which I should have, right here. If price would have came back, closed above this, such a better entry. Lot less risky, because what is that? That's two added on confirmations that we're going to continue bullish, and we barely get one. You can see how much we're failing to close, right? And then eventually we close above. Not the greatest, but I got pretty greedy, and I still entered. So 99% of the losses that you take are gonna be because of your mistakes. So stop blaming it on price action. It's it's a mistake you made, and it's not a bad thing that you made a mistake. It's just you need to learn how to go back to your losses and figure out what went wrong, and be able to fix that in the future. And that's why I create these recaps, so I can always go back and watch them. You know, let's say um, I keep losing a bunch of unnecessary trades, right? But I make videos on all of them. What can I do? I can rewatch all my videos, and let's say I have the same mistake in each one of my losses. Boom, I cut that out. What does that do to my win rate? Exponentially increases that. But yeah, I mean, this is a loss by me today, not price action. So yeah, Thanks guys for watching.